I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
This dump cake is so freaking good. I only use apples, but you can really use like any fruit you want to use. Peaches, strawberries, blueberries, whatever. This is so good, especially like the crust where the butter melted. It is so freaking good, y'all. And you know that hubby is not really into anything that's like sugar-free or low carb, but he likes this. This is so delicious. I'm going to put some whipped cream on top and eat some more, y'all. This is so good. So I have this this Cool Whip right here, the 0 sugar. I might use some of that, and then I also have, because that'll give me like that'll make me feel like I'm eating ice cream with it. And I wanted to get some ice cream today when I went to the grocery store, but y'all, I had to make another stop, so I didn't get the ice cream. I also have some of this whipped cream. So this is the sugar-free whipped heavy cream from Great Value. This is really good too, but I think I'm gonna go with the Cool Whip because I want like an ice cream vibe. And I might even put some caramel on top, but I don't want to, like, because this is already really sweet, and I didn't add any sugar to this, y'all. It's already really sweet, so I don't know if I'm going to add the caramel on it, but I think that the caramel flavor will taste really good on this. So I might add a little bit on top of the whipped cream, y'all. But oh my god, I can't believe how good this turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and eat some. I haven't even had anything to eat yet, but I'm going to go ahead and eat a little bit of this. So freaking good. Y'all have to try it. And if you're not watching your carbs, I guarantee you that a regular cake mix would be bomb on top of this. Oh my god, like a regular cake mix would be so good on top of this. Although this one is good too, but I can just imagine with a really good yellow cake mix, like a traditional cake mix. Oh my god, so freaking good. But y'all, this is delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat me a little bit, and then I'm gonna eat like dinner, okay? Because it's almost 8 o'clock, so I need to hurry up and eat, because I don't like to eat anything after 9 o'clock. So again, you guys, here is the dump cake, and I've been seeing this trending on TikTok, so that's why I wanted to try it, and it turned out really good. Y'all, I had to come back because this is so freaking good. So I put whipped cream on top and a little bit of caramel. Oh my god, this is so good. I cannot believe that this is just low carb. It is so freaking good. Honestly, I think it would have tasted better if I would have used like a regular cake mix, but this is still good. This is still really good. I love it. Hey y'all, what's up? So Dennis cooked dinner. Today is Sunday, y'all. Dennis cooked dinner today. It's so delicious, y'all. I did a reel, so make sure y'all following me. I can't even talk, I'm so busy stuffing my mouth. But make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because I did a reel of everything that he cooked today. So you know that's the right. So look, y'all, oh my god, this is so good. I showed y'all this, hold on, or did I can't remember, y'all, but I know I did. Like I showed y'all this mixture in a vlog. I can't remember like what vlog though. It could be the vlog that you guys just saw, But oh my god, we love this. Like when we trying to think of if we're trying to think, he said if he could get some, y'all, the last time I tore it up. But if we're trying to think of a vegetable to eat, you know, something different, he does this mixture right here. It's so good, y'all. As you can obviously see, it's mushrooms, green pepper, and onion. Portobello's. And it's low carb, which y'all know I like. And then he seasoned it up so good. Like, you're like, it's delicious, y'all. You don't really need anything else to go with this. It is so freaking good because, you know, the mushroom can substitute as your meat. And I think that's why it tastes so good. And he seasoned it so well. And I can't tell you what he used in here, but it is so, y'all, it's so good. Like, and look how huge those mushrooms are. Like, for real, for real. Okay, let's do some B-roll over this because this is just everything. So hold on, y'all.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me, between me and you.
Food porn, baby, okay? And y'all, this tastes so good on a pizza, like a cheese pizza with these veggies. Oh, honey, life. With some mozzarella cheese, you in there. So he got that. He cooked this, and all of this was cooked on the fire pit. All of this was cooked on the fire pit, y'all. So it tastes so good. So we have that, and then we have some grilled chicken, which is so up my alley because y'all know that I'm trying to do like high protein in my diet. So we have some grilled chicken. When I tell you it's seasoned to perfection, it was cooked on the pit. And I need to show y'all the pit. I'll walk out there and show y'all the pit. But this was cooked on the pit, y'all. When I tell you tender, it's all freaking get out. I'm not even playing, y'all. I'm not even playing. So freaking good. So then that. And then over here we have, look at this, y'all. Oh my god, we have hamburgers, some Angus burgers, we have some sausages, we have pork chop, and which I've been so addicted to pork chop. Like, I've been loving pork chop, y'all. So that's what we have over here, all grilled on the pit. So oh my god, like, it smells so freaking good, y'all. So that's what we have here. Okay, and then he also made some loaded potatoes yesterday. But I think I'm gonna have a little bit of potato salad. And no, this is not low carb, but I do try to eat in moderation, because if I eat like a burger or something, I don't use bread, or I use like one of my low carb wraps. Let me show y'all that, because I got these yesterday, y'all, and I didn't even know that these wraps came in this size. So I was really happy to see this, because sometimes the bigger wraps are just too much for me. But I found these yesterday. Look at that, y'all. I found these yesterday in Walmart. If it'll focus, hold on, there we go. Found these yesterday in Walmart. They are the Carb Cancer Street Taco wraps. Okay, as you can see, keto friendly, and they are the perfect size, you guys. So I don't know how well y'all can see that, but it's only 20 calories per wrap, and it's 0 net carbs, y'all. 0 net freaking carbs, as y'all can see there. Can y'all see that? So 0 net carbs. So you can't beat that at all. And you can actually use these wraps with hamburgers, sausages, whatever you use bread for. You can use these wraps to substitute. You get 16 mini wraps, because these are really miniature compared to the others. So you get 16 wraps, and I think I paid about $3 for this pack at Walmart. So I got that. So I said all of that to say, like, because I'm really scaling back on my carbs, I can afford to like squeeze some of this Amish potato salad in. Okay, and I only have like a scoop of this, but it's so freaking good, y'all. Oh, it's so good. You don't have to add anything to it. Well, sometimes I do add a little bit of paprika just to give it, like, you know, a pretty look, but for the most, you don't have to add anything to this. Okay, it's really good. So yeah, y'all, wanted to come on and show y'all the dinner. Let me wrap everything up, because I'm not gonna eat like right now. What time is it? I've been fasting all day though. Oh, I can't. Oh, let me eat, because it's getting later and later in the day. It's 3 o'clock. I didn't realize it was 3 o'clock, Dennis. So yeah, I need to go ahead and eat. But I want to go ahead and show y'all the pit real quick. Let me show y'all. Let me put my shoes on. So y'all, I didn't decorate the deck today. I just kind of like, well, Dennis put the umbrella up. And I didn't put like any of my decorations out because I was gonna come out here and sit, but y'all, right now it's so hot. I might come out a little later and sit and kind of edit some videos. He did put the chairs out over there, so I didn't like put out all of my decorations or anything like that. But he's gonna come out here so he can kind of show y'all or explain to y'all like what he did. And y'all know this is the patio area, and it's zipped up, so I don't feel like unzipping it. But down here, y'all, we still like are decorating down here.
It's a little too warm for this shit today.
Yeah, and y'all can see the TV over there.
But football season about to start, so we're about to be out here. So I bought this tripod. It comes with these legs, the chain, and the grate, the grill grate. All I did was I dug out the bottom, and I throw some charcoal and some wood in there. We should have did it while it was cooking, but it's over now.
I didn't even think about it.
But basically, it just hangs there, and you come out here and you put your meat on there, and let it do what it do. It's just like cooking on a grill. It's different. It's a different taste.
It's definitely a different taste, y'all. Like the chicken tastes freaking amazing. Like, I'm not even playing with y'all. It tastes so good. Like, it tastes so freaking good, y'all. I don't even think I showed y'all. Like, if y'all follow me on thank you, bae, because he was eating, y'all. He wrapped up his plate to come and explain to you guys. But if y'all follow me on TikTok, and I don't know if I showed like the fence in my shed, my barn shed, on I think I just showed it on, I don't know, y'all. I don't know what I showed it on, but yeah, it looks so freaking good. That's our barn shed, and it's huge. And I don't even think I ever showed y'all the fence. Now, I told y'all that we were getting the fence up, but I don't think I ever like did like an official video. I know in a vlog I did show y'all like the process of them of the people like install it. I think I showed y'all a little bit of it, but here's what the fence looks like. It's amazing, you guys. And we have like so much freaking yard. Dennis and I were thinking about like getting a pool putting this area. I don't come out here that often because y'all, I don't like bugs, so, and I can just hear the bugs. I don't come out here that often, y'all, but our fence looks really, really good. What was I saying? Oh, Dennis and I were thinking about getting like a pool installed right here because this area is so huge, and just getting our deck redone, because if we get a pool installed, then we will want to have like some steps leading to the pool. But I don't know if y'all can really tell, but this area right here is super duper huge. But the fence is just amazing, you guys. We love it so much. We went through a company called Fence Me In. I don't know if they are worldwide. I'm not 100% sure. But it's an opening right here, so we can drive the cars in. Well, so Dennis can drive the cars in if he wants to like bring them back here in the yard. And then of course, you know, the fencing comes all the way around like that. And this side only obviously has one door, okay, with a little lock on it right there. It's only have the one door, and our driveway and everything is like right there. So yeah, Fence Me In did a great job, y'all. Y'all know that we're still working on our grass. Well, we haven't started like working on the grass yet, and it's too late. Like, it's too late to like call somebody out here like right now. We'll have to wait until the fall, which the fall is almost here. But at this point, we'll like have to wait to get like the grass treated, so that'll be the next biggest project. But yeah, y'all, it's hot out here. I'm going inside so I can eat, but I just kind of wanted to show y'all that because I don't think I really ever showed y'all the outside. I just kind of wanted to give you a look. So I'm going in, y'all. It's hot, y'all. My dryer is going in the background, so never mind that. But look at this dump cake, y'all. Can y'all see? We have been tearing this thing up. When I tell y'all, it's so freaking good. And again, like if the keto cake isn't your thing, then just simply use like a regular cake mix, because I know like a regular cake mix would be like bussing, okay, bussing. And to cut calories, you can still do like the sugar-free apples and just add like some sweetener to it. Well, really, it don't even need sweetener. We didn't even add any sweetener to it because it's sweetened with sucralose, which is an artificial sweetener. So if that's not your thing, then of course get the regular apples and sweeten it to taste and put your cinnamon and use like a regular cake mix. y'all, I know that must be busting because this is so freaking good, and especially with the whipped cream on top and the caramel, y'all. So I'm about to warm me up some more, y'all. It's so good. Hey y'all, happy Monday. So I'm currently working. I'm working and I don't even know if y'all can hear me because the highway y'all is literally like right there, and it's so loud, so you probably can't even hear me. But I'm working remote today, so I'm all set up. Today is Monday. I'm having some soda water. I'm still fasting, y'all. I haven't had anything to eat today. It's currently 1:21. Oh, I need to eat something. It's almost 2 o'clock. I need to go ahead and eat something, y'all. But this is what I'm having right here, and this is one of my favorite soda waters. I feel like I need to talk loud, but this is one of my favorite soda waters, y'all. If y'all are trying to kick like regular soda, and if you're trying to kick like even diet soda, this is good because all it is flavored water, so it's really, really good. So oh, it's so good. So y'all, was actually set up inside the house, working from my beauty room on my desk, but it was so cold in there. I was freezing inside the house. So I decided to come out here and work just to get a little bit of sun and to warm up a little bit. So yeah, y'all, basically that is what I'm doing. I'll have to look and see what she tested positive. Yeah, I'm just answering back some emails. So, y'all, I swear I work harder from home than I do in the office. And I think it's because, like, at least in the office, I kind of get up and I move around, I walk around, I visit like different areas of my job. But at home, I'm just pretty much locked in front of the computer because I don't want to miss any Teams meetings. I don't want to miss any emails. I don't want to miss like people trying to call me on my computer. I don't want to miss any voicemails because my voicemails come through my computer. And so, y'all, that's why I work so much harder. So much harder. Like, and it seems like, y'all, when I'm working remote, I'm sorry, I'm just coming in and out, but when I'm working remote, I get so many like emails. Like, it's just ridiculous because I can, if I'm at work in the office, I can walk away from my computer and come back and I have no emails. But it's like when I'm working remote, like all of the emails just, whoo, they keep coming, y'all. So anyway, y'all, this is boring. Y'all probably do not want to see me just sit here and type and drink my water. So I'll holler at y'all later, okay? Because I have like so much to do. So yeah, I picked the camera up a little later on, okay y'all?